Hi guys, welcome again for one more video of Mechanics channel. Today we are using a 2017 Peugeot 508 with two warnings on the dash. An electrical system fault, as well as an engine fault, that we will show you how we fixed it. Make sure you watch the video till the end, so you don't miss out any detail, important tricks and hints, that will help you solve your problems like a pro. First thing we checked was the battery voltage that was very low, little more than 8 volts. So we need to connect a battery charger until the battery reaches around 12 volts. After this, we connected a scanner for errors and got, among other DTCs, the error code B1624 and B1627 related to the battery protection and management unit at BPGA. This leads to 3 possible issues: BPGA module, battery itself, or a bad alternator. In our case, the problem was the BPGA module, which we need to replace, and for that we bought 3 items: the module, the nut and the safety sticker. So, are you liking this video so far? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. The tools we used to this job were 2 battery connector covers, 13mm wrench, a cut plier, a pick tool, a short screwdriver, 8, 10 and 13mm socket with a short extender. First thing we did was to disconnect the battery and insert the covers to prevent it to connect accidentally. Also disconnect the 2 13mm nuts from the side of the BPGA module and the plug. In order to remove the module, we need to free a clip at the side of the plug that I used the pick tool to undo it, as well as other 2 plastic clips. Now we just need to undo all 8mm nuts that connect the wires from the old module and tighten them on the new module. I did it one at a time, also double checking the color and fuse amps so we don't change any wire. After change all wires on the top, we need to change the ones in the bottom. They are hidden with a cover. The new module had one more fuse the old one didn't have, so extra careful so everything works well in the end. Don't forget to reinsert the bottom cover. There are 2 small fuses on the top that we need to swap from the old module to the new one, because it came with empty slots. After this we just need to reassemble both 13mm nuts and the plug for the module, as well as the new security sticker. Reconnect the battery and clear all error codes with diagnostic machine. Some will remain until you go for a drive, and after close the car, let it sit for some minutes. After that they can be erased, and if everything is okay, you are good to go. Hope you enjoyed, learned and fixed your car. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and see you in the next video.